Today I've got a little bit of a fun video. A few weeks ago I saw that Maxim had a little bit of a sale going on. I think I had a coupon or something. So apparently I bought yarn. I completely forgot all about it. I was outside working in the yard. Somehow I got poison ivy. So there was a bunch of days, like almost a week in there, where I was on Benadryl. I had a swollen arm. I was itchy. I was miserable. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't crochet. I couldn't move my arm. It was miserable. During that time, a box from Maxim came. Totally made my day. So it's been sitting under my table for quite a few days, probably even over a week now. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Part of the reason why I decided it was time to get some more yarn is because I have started going through my yarn stash, organizing it. After a while, it just becomes such a mess. You're pulling yarns out and then you're just kind of stuffing them back in because you're in a hurry. You want to make the next project. So where I stash my yarn was a complete mess. And I don't have a true craft room to keep all of my stuff in. Right now, it is in a walk-in closet that has perfect or near perfect shelving for yarn. Some of them are very narrow, and so the yarn can just fit right in. It works perfectly, but it's not like a true yarn room or craft room. So I don't see it every day. I don't work in there. It's usually not high on my priority list to organize it. I just kind of pull out yarn. But it was getting to be a little bit out of hand. So I went in there before the poison ivy incident and I started just reorganizing how I wanted my yarn, where I wanted to keep it. I have collected a little bit more cotton yarns than I had the last time I organized this. So I wanted to kind of promote those cotton yarns, highlight them, pull them to the front so I know what I have now. And in doing all of this, I realized that there's a lot of yarn colors, especially acrylic yarn colors, that I go through all the time. I don't have very much pinks or purples anymore. I've got some reds. I've got some blues. I've actually got a lot of blues, I think because I love blue and I just keep buying blue, but I don't really have a lot of the other colors. I don't remember what I bought, to be honest. I think I might have a mystery in there. I don't know. We're gonna see. But first, yesterday, we went to Goodwill and I snagged a brand new knit crochet. This one might be a little bit older. There's no date on it, but it's brand new. It's in the packaging. It's a cotton yarn, mercerized cotton, and at Goodwill it was 99 cents. So of course I grabbed it. So that was a kind of a nice surprise yesterday as we were shopping. Here's the box. Again, I don't remember buying this much yarn. I don't know what's in here. We're gonna find out. Where to start? I'm just gonna start pulling some yarn out and we're gonna take a look at it. First off, peaches and cream cotton yarn. I'm working a lot more with the cotton yarn, especially in the summertime, making bags and bucket hats and things. And a lot of these things I am making to help support my daughter's Etsy shop, which I'll link down below if you're interested. So I'm starting to make things where I don't have to think about the pattern. I can go find a pattern. It can be one of my own patterns, whatever, but then I can just crochet and make it and I don't have to stop and think and try to create and be creative. I'm sort of at a point right now where I just kind of want to crochet for fun. So I'm buying a lot of cotton yarns so I can make things for her to sell on her shop. So this is a peaches and cream, stripey. It's got some purples, like a teal or a sea green maybe, a beige. The colorway is Lavender Meadow, and I've got 3 of these. Let's see how much is in one of these. So just over 100 yards. I think it says 102. So 102 yards in one of these. I have 3. Perfect. And it looks like I got these for $1.80. So I've got 3 of them. So it was only, just over maybe $4, maybe $5 for 3. Another peaches and cream, another stripey. So we've got some cream, some dark pink, some light pink in here. This colorway is Quiet Dahlia. And again, 102 yards, $1.80. I got 3 of them, so not a bad price at all. Again, one more 3-pack set of Peaches and Cream. This is a little bit darker than that other pink, so it's more bright. It's got a coral in there. The colorway is Energetic Pink. 102 yards for this one. Again, $1.80. I got 3 of them. Some Big Twist. Mary Maxim now has the Big Twist. This was previously a Joann brand. And look at the size of this. This color is wine. This has 1,093 yards. So this will go a long way. And it's a nice like purple red. It's a burgundy. It's a nice wine kind of color. This one was just over $8 and I got 2 of these. I got another 2 of these Big Twist. Giant. They're Big Twist. More than a pound. So it says value pound plus. 193 yards. These are 100% acrylic. Again, it's the Big Twist brand that Joann used to carry. And this color is just called purple. So I needed some purple. I needed some burgundy. I'm not quite sure why now when I bought this, but it will be put to good use. So I've got 2 of these in the purple, 2 in the wine. They were just over $8 a ball, so not too bad of a price. I went ahead and got 2 mystery packs. The first one is a sock mystery pack. There we go. I love how they come in these nice little zipped little pouches. It comes in really handy for like my extras, or even if I'm doing a project and I need something to just kind of put it in, especially if it doesn't get finished. So we've got 1 of these, and I think last time I ordered the sock yarn pack, I got the same color. So this is actually good because I could use another ball of this. We'll have to see if the dye lot is the same. I don't typically generally care unless it is so different that you can tell. It looks like a totally different color. This one looks pretty similar though, just from eyeballing it. This colorway is called Atlantic City. And it's a very fine sock weight type yarn. We have some browns and mustard, gray, some black in there as well. And this is 70% acrylic, 23 viscose from bamboo, and 7% polyester. So it is classified as a superfine #1 weight. You get 454 yards. I know I've at least got 1 more of these, so perfect. All right, second, K&C Premium Yarns, Knit and Crochet, Sock Star. I have not had any yarn from this brand before. It's a little bit scratchy, so I'm guessing there's some wool in here. All right, 75% superwash wool, 25% polyamide. You get 437 yards. The color is really pretty though. It's almost like a sunset maybe. Reds, yellows, or some pinks, some grays. So I do really like the color, but it's a little bit, it's a rough. Maybe it'll work up a little better. It says it is a 2 fine weight yarn, and the color is Citrus Splash Stripe. So again, really pretty. The feel is it's not as soft as this one. It's a little bit scratchy. So if any kind of wool bothers you, this probably is not the yarn for you. And finally, look how pretty that is. It's like a stoned washed, like jeans or something. Bamboo stripes. This is a Mary Maxim brand. Bamboo stripes, really soft. Just the hint of like a wool, and yeah, it says superwash wool, nylon bamboo, sock yarn. It's just got the faintest hint of maybe how wool can be kind of scratchy, but it's still really soft. So we've got 437 yards in this, and the colorway is Coral Reef. And it's really, really pretty. I really like that stoned wash look. Like it's, especially with that blue, it really kind of pops out. I'm really excited about this one. And it's kind of funny because I buy all of this sock yarn and I don't make socks, so I don't quite know what I'm going to do with it, but there's got to be something besides socks. And last but not least, we have a yarn mystery bag. So they really pack full the yarn mystery bag, $27. It was on sale. I think it might have been like 40 or maybe even 50% off when I got it. They run a lot of sales on their mystery bags. So always check that out because it's really a great deal. You get so much yarn for that one price. And it's kind of nice not to be overwhelmed with what you want to buy. So if you have no idea, you want some yarn, I do recommend getting their mystery bags. They'll give you a nice variety and they give you plenty. So even if you don't have a project in mind, you will definitely have the yarn for some project. All right, let's take a look at what's inside. Right off the bat, I see all of this white yarn, which is perfect because I need white yarn. As I was going through my closet, organizing my yarn, I realized I don't have any white acrylic yarn. None. And what I do have, it's like the little ends. So I needed this. I've got 3 of them. Just a basic acrylic, which is perfect. That's all I need. 100% acrylic. It's a 4-weight, but just plain white. So very useful for me. It tells how much you get in there and then how many balls you might need for one of those projects down there. So just a plain white, 3 balls of these. 2 of these, I've never had this brand either, Nako. It's a nice pretty color. It does not have a color name, it just has the color number, and then we've got the lot number over there, and it tells you how much comes in one of these skeins. Really nice blue. I've got 2 of those. It's soft. It feels like your traditional acrylic yarn, and it is 100% premium acrylic. So 2 of those. Now this is interesting. Basic stitch reflective yarn. See what I mean? In these mystery packs, you get stuff that you probably wouldn't have gone out and bought yourself, but now you have, and so you can work a project that you might not have worked before. So that's what the reflective yarn looks like. It's just a 4-weight acrylic. It's got 88% acrylic, 12% polyester. Basic stitch reflective, anti-pilling, and it's twisted with reflective yarn. That is really cool. So I've got 3 of these. This is Summit White, and you get 115 yards per ball. So I've got 3 of them. That could make something very interesting. So I'm gonna have to look for patterns on something I want to make with this reflective yarn and see if it actually works. So that might be a yarn review in the future. We have Skein Tones, which I have seen, and this is also a Lion brand. And it's funny because I never saw these in stores. I think they probably had them out when it first came out, and it was just like on an end cap or in the center aisle. I have not seen them stocked regularly. It's a really nice soft yarn. This color is walnut. It's a nice rich color. 4-weight. You get 185 yards, 100% acrylic. And again, it's really soft. And I have 3 of these, and it would make a very nice coordinating color that would pull a project together. It's a really nice rich walnut brown. And I've never used one of these before, so again, it'll be new to me. 5 of these. Fluffy Day by Hobie. 100% premium brushed acrylic. So you can see it's kind of fluffy. Soft though. It does not have a colorway. It just says a color number, lot number, 153 yards. It's a 4-weight. made in Turkey. So I'm excited. I've never actually had any Hobie yarn before, so this will be fun. And this kind of yarn would make wonderful like fall, winter kind of hats. And just look at the color. So it's really, really pretty. And it's soft. So I have 5 of those. That will make some really cute, fun projects as well. And finally, Bernat blanket yarn. Got 3 of these. Came as a 3-pack. Now these are really soft. I have some other colors in this that I have not used yet because I don't know what I want to do with it. So this is the Bernat. It's a 6, it's 100% polyester. You get 108 yards per ball. This color is Oceanside, so it's really nice. It's got some dark blue, light blue, greens, whites. It does kind of look sort of like maybe what a tide pool might look like. So I've got 3 of these. I need to figure out, do I want to make a blanket out of it, or are there other projects that we can make? So that is it for the Mary Maxim yarn haul. I hope you enjoyed. If you're considering getting a mystery pack, I highly recommend their yarn mystery pack. You get tons of yarn, and especially if you don't know what you want to do and you just kind of want to get some yarn and maybe that will spark your creativity on what you want to make, highly recommend. And definitely check their website out. Sign up for the email notifications, the text messages, because they will send you when they're having sales, and their sales are really nice. Shipping is a little bit expensive, at least to where I'm at, but it kind of evens out if you have the coupons, and especially if you can find a coupon that gives you a discount on the shipping, if not free shipping. So that was Mary Maxim Yarn Haul. I hope you enjoyed. It's time for me to go put this into my yarn stash so it doesn't sit under the table in this box anymore, and I can go and enjoy it and figure out some projects that I want to make now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.